What's going on? And in this episode of Kyle TV, we'll be talking about gaming cryptocurrencies. So, as you can see, we're on coinmarketcap.com doing a little bit of research. So, the first few coins I'll be talking about is Tron, GAMECREDITS, and ENJIN coin. So, if we scroll down all the way down to the 70s area, we have Tron and GAMECREDITS. Now, GAMECREDITS, actually, Tron was they were right by each other just a second ago, so we get seeing some price movement here. Actually, it looks like maybe GameCredit has gained a few percent today, a couple percent, 1%. But GameCredits is basically, if we go to their website, GameCredits is a universal currency and virtual wallet for 2.6 billion gamers worldwide. So I don't know what the actual stats are. I don't know how true that is. But it says, according to GameCredits, it's a $100 billion industry, and it's actually exponentially set to grow and grow every single year. Especially, I am getting hit by Goldman Sachs ads about investing in gaming opportunities and everything like that. So if we scroll over to their game products, they have a bunch of different things that they have coming out with. One of it being G Nation, just says if Gaming Nation was basically a nation, be the largest on Earth. G Play is basically rewards developers with 90% payout on their sale. So I guess if you're a developer, you can put your stuff on their e-commerce type of platform. So you got a bunch of other stuff that's coming soon. You have the wallet. Anyways, it's very cool how they have it set up. Pixel Wars, they have an actual game, I guess. So they have actually a lot of products, and if we scroll all the way down, they have their partners listing below. Now we'll definitely check out their team to see if we have any notables on the team. So we'll just kind of keep scrolling down here. Anyways, you can kind of do your own research on basically these developers, and if you recognize any of these. I actually do not really see anybody I recognize, but you have a pretty decent sized team, and it does look like they know what they're doing, or else they wouldn't be such high on the list on coinmarketcap.com and already sitting at $2.22. Now Tron is basically tackling the problem of basically distributing information and creating a free way to publish your own creative content. So kind of think of like maybe a Twitch for kind of like a Twitch mixed with YouTube and maybe something like that, where it'll enable you to not only store your own data, but obviously publish it in a decentralized manner and get rewarded and things like that. There's other integrations that you would probably see from Tron, but that's kind of the basic idea. So I wouldn't even limit it to like YouTube/Twitch, but I would take a more broader approach. But I don't know what the actual real world value or real use cases might be, but those might be some of the things that I might speculate on. Obviously, they have their own Tron token, so it's kind of like Steam as far as users are going to get rewarded. They have Tron Power, which is locked in. You can basically acquire it by locking in your TRONIX. So TRONIX is the voting right, which means TP holders have more privileges in the ecosystem. Tron 20 token owners can issue their own digital assets freely through Tron 20 standards. So there's a little bit to it that you could go in and do some research, but we do have some notables as far as the CEO. Basically you can kind of go in and see that former chief rep of Greater China of Ripple, and Forbes China 30 under 30, Asia 30 under 30. So pretty notable stuff there he's got going on for himself. It's a long-term project, as you can see their roadmap here. They have very cool names for their phases of their project. You have Exodus, Odyssey, Great Voyage, Apollo, Star Trek, and Eternity. You can check out their white paper here. But definitely notables. We have, these are the developers and the people that are going to be developing Tron. So you can kind of scroll through that. Quite a bit of a handful of developers there, but the most notable probably one is Jihan Wu. I don't know if I pronounced that name right. I think it's more like Yihan Wu is how you pronounce that, or Hihan Wu. But please forgive me if I am terrible at butchering that description or enunciation. But he's the CEO of Bitmain, obviously, and if you don't know who Bitmain is by now, then definitely go research that. Basically a big miner behind Bitcoin. And you have other notables here as well. If we keep scrolling, so that's just a part of the team. Founder of BTC China. That's another huge. These are a lot of huge names in a lot of different niches and markets, and especially Bitcoin. So we scroll down here, you'll see the partners. Obviously, Bitmain. We keep scrolling. ICO 365, Open Ledger, and things like that. So pretty cool stuff. I don't know if you'll be able to join their Slack. We can see if it's still open, and if it is, cool, we'll join. All right, cool. So it looks like their Slack's open, so we can definitely join that. And it looks like they have some other groups and stuff you can join as well. Join the discussion, their Twitter, and things like that. So very cool spin on decentralizing information and a platform where people can freely publish. They definitely have the gamer niche in here, where it does specifically call out the gaming niche. We'll head over to actually ENJIN Coin. They're actually ranked number 216 right now. Actually, a lot of people know what this is already. Year to date, they definitely had some have a lot of ups and downs and dips and rips and all kinds of stuff going on with their pricing. So it seems like people are not really it's just kind of volatile. So people are consistently putting. It looks like not sure where the valuation is. Was so much valuation. But if we go to their website, they have actually two websites, I guess. We'll come over to ENJIN Coin, wherever it is. I don't think I'm on their website. So ENJIN Coin is their second website. It just kind of talks you through. It's a smart cryptocurrency for gaming. But if the ICO is over, basically you can accept ENJIN Coin on different games. You can do a lot of stuff with the ENJIN Coin. Virtual goods and the blockchain, SDKs for the game industry, gaming with true item ownership, and a solution for fraud and high fees. And you can watch the video on that. But let's come over to their website. This is what I think is really cool. Whereas basically I haven't seen this really on, in GameCredits probably will be the closest one to this one. Because you can go to their products and kind of see what they have going on. But as far as ENJIN Coin, they already have a niche market basically captured, where Minecraft is big. It looks like on this platform, but you can basically come in and create a site. So it's create a Minecraft guild and clan website for free. It's perfect for Minecraft servers, guilds, and clans. They'll obviously probably be expanding this, obviously through different games and things like that. So gamified forums, website builder, social profiles made for gaming, 70 plus modules to create your own site, mobile apps and things like that. So it's very cool. If you scroll down and you actually see, there's more games and stuff like that. Obviously, Star Wars, you have, pretty big ones here, Warcraft, and, really cool stuff basically for your guild. These are huge games, guys. I don't know some of these these games, but I imagine they're huge too. You got the esports niche and League of Legends. It looks like Call of Duty and a bunch of other games. So what I really wanted to show you guys is down here, who's actually has partnered or / uses these ENJIN basically. PCgamer.com hosts various PC gamer guilds and clans on ENJIN. We voted ENJIN as #1 host for gaming communities. And Mineplex, obviously probably a big Minecraft website, probably powered by ENJIN, and on and on. So it's really cool stuff. You can kind of see more. You can actually become an affiliate, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's what you have with all these basically gaming platforms. A big one that I think you should watch out for, not only in the gaming community, or amongst the gaming community rather, is Wax Token. Wax Token is coming from the founders of Opskins, basically, selling and trading, digital assets, and, basically for your avatar. They have a video how it works. It looks like their ICO is closed. I did a video on that earlier. Tokens will be distributed prior to December 29th if you're already a token holder. Basically how it works is it's basically a decentralized token where you can buy and sell your, basically what all these basically platforms are trying to accomplish with their coins. GAMECREDITS is basically, they're all doing kind of the same thing, but they have their own twist on it, and I believe they'll capture their own market. Whereas I think Wax will kind of be the premium version of all this, where, you'll see, basically, outfits and costumes and, armor and things like that, and guns for sale on Opskins, where you can come in and use your Wax tokens to buy and sell things like that. So I think it'll be kind of the premium version, whereas GAMECREDITS will be definitely one of the bigger places to go to for all-in-one kind of platform where you'll be able to do the same thing as well. It says their G exchange is coming soon. They already have a G wallet, G Play, G Nation, and all that cool stuff like that. And it's already out there, so you'll probably see gamers like coming in and accepting most of this stuff already. Basically accepting all these tokens, ENJIN coin as well. You can buy and sell virtual goods as well from ENJIN coin, and I believe that each one of these will capture its own market share of different games. This one being the smaller games, but you can see kind of the wallet with custom coins and pinning requests and things like that, how kind of cool that is to see an actual picture and how it works. Founding team as well, you can come here and research all of that. Co-founder of Ethereum, that's a big one, Anthony Diorio. And let's see if we can scroll and see any more notables. But yeah, so there you have it. Some pretty serious backing behind all these tokens and things like that. Let's see if we can scroll down and check out the team from GAMECREDITS if I haven't already. And I think we already did. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video capturing all the gaming tokens, gaming cryptocurrency and platforms, where you can kind of see this going. It's $1 billion market, and obviously cryptocurrencies are going to capture some of this market, if not, a lot of it. But, gaming's only going to go up, especially the forecast, all the way to being like $1 trillion market. So watch out for these tokens. I mean, they're very affordable to still get. GAMECREDITS being the most expensive one on coinmarketcap.com. And then you have Tron, which has some pretty serious backing wherever Tron went. There it is, back to 71 or at 71. So with that being said, guys, watch out for these gaming tokens. ENJIN coin still only at 2 cents, and I imagine it went up from quite a bit. So I think this one is an affordable buy because I think it's going to be going places. GAMECREDITS, it's already taken off. Definitely went up and spiked and got, definitely went parabolic and got pumped. I think it's around probably market price right now, maybe a little above market price, but it's around that with the correction that you just saw from that. All these other coins, I don't think they are necessarily on Wax is not on coinmarketcap.com, and we can check that. But Tron, it's very level, very cheap right now. I definitely think as this project progresses, I definitely think you're going to see this price go up. And I'm not going to make any current predictions right now because the gaming community still needs to grow as a whole. But it's definitely an industry to watch out for. So as always, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not encouraging you at all to take action to buy or sell or give you any advice like that. Only risk what you're willing to lose. But you know, this is a fun video, my opinion, and I think it's something to definitely watch out for and to continue to watch. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys at the blockchain and in the next video. Later.